Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, my Veracity family. Welcome to March. So far, the year of 2023 has been extremely positive for Veracity. Yes, we are seeing a little bit of a consolidation over the past week and a half to 2 weeks, but things are looking good in the larger scale of things. But today we're going to discuss what are the next price targets we should be looking at and whether or not we should be worried. That's what we're going to get into. So if you like these kind of videos, like the video, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and now let's get right in today's topic. Looking at the price of Veracity right now, it is currently trading at 0.00706 cents, down about 1.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 1% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. But if we're looking at the market cap has been holding really strong at this $73 million mark. Even though we are seeing a lot of uncertainty within the overall markets over the past 2 to 3 days, we're starting to see a lot of altcoins going to red once again because Bitcoin is seeing a cool off. We're not seeing a lot of volatility in Veracity, which is definitely a big plus point that we can take away from this. So now let's shift our focus on the price and see what's going on with the price and where we could be going in the immediate short term. But before we jump into that, I wanted to share this with you guys. So Crypto Dose posted this: Veracity trending at number 1 on Lunar Crush. Market cap of Veracity is 75 million and market cap of Bitcoin is $400 billion. So you guys can see trending searches, despite the fact that we are seeing a little bit of a cool off, no excitement, but again, we are trending on Lunar Crush. What does that show you? That shows there is a lot of interest in a Veracity right now. Been saying that, and I'll continue to say that because I personally believe that this is going to be one of the top performers this coming bull cycle. So before we get into the charts though, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So you guys can see something very interesting is happening for Veracity, and that's exactly what we do like seeing happen right now. So you can see we are below this level of resistance, but we never really saw a lot of volatility come into play because, as I mentioned to you guys in my other update, that this level of consolidation before we were trying to break out of this level of resistance is going to play as the level of support now. And if we do come into the hourly time frame, you guys can see that's exactly what is happening. So basically from January 20th all the way to February the 5th, we literally consolidated around here. We were trying to break out of here, but we finally broke out of here on February 5th of last month, and we saw a yearly high of 1.1 cents. But again, now we're finding ourselves at the same level, being supported by this range. So you guys can tell consolidation is sometimes very needed before we do obviously see the next leg up. Not only that, but when the prices do tumble towards the downside, those consolidations will play as a level of support this time around, and that's exactly what we're seeing happen. But we're seeing Veracity having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of this level of resistance. And the reason as to why this is happening is because obviously the buying pressure is just not there for itself right now. Buying pressure does need to come in, but the overall holders strength is showing us right now, right in front of our eyes, and that's definitely a positive thing to take away from this. But we need to look at the price of Bitcoin. If you guys watch my other videos, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. Bitcoin has been, obviously having a little bit of a cool off after it hit a yearly high, but overall Bitcoin is still in an upwards trajectory because we're still creating higher highs and a higher low. So that's definitely something nice to point out. But there are some analysts now starting to talk about that Bitcoin could see new lower prices, and in order for us to get bearish, we obviously need to go below $22,000 for us at our channel. You guys know how important this $22,000 mark and how important I really take it as. If we are below this, I am bearish. So obviously that is something that we do need to keep in mind right now. But if we're looking at the price right now, things are looking still bullish. This kind of correction is needed because if you guys can see at the previous yearly high, which was at $24,000, we did see a retracement of about 11%. And this time around, if I do bring out the measuring tool from $25,300 new yearly high, we are seeing a retracement of about 7%. So it's very much needed. Overall, everything is playing out how it should be. But like I said, if Bitcoin were to go below $22,000 and most importantly $21,300 level, then this upward trend does get invalidated. So now, as I say that, Veracity, despite the fact that it's seeing a lot of cool off happening within Bitcoin's price, we are seeing Veracity hold really strong, which is a positive thing to take away right now. This is showing us strength within itself. Obviously, we have Bybit listing opportunities right there for us. If you guys have not done that, I wish you guys voted for that. That is going to open so much door. I think that is going to be a massive deciding factor for Binance, one of the biggest competitors. That is going to be like, hey, you know what? If Bybit is taking so much of volume from us, which we can have, why not us list it? So I think that's going to open a lot of doors, not just for Binance and Bybit, a lot of other exchanges that do want the pie, the volume. Now you may be saying, why do these exchanges care? Because at the end of the day, they make money out of these. Whoever has more volume, that means more trading fees coming in their way. So I think the year of 2023 is looking very positive for Veracity, and not only that, it's still a low cap coin. Only $73 million. Obviously, the plus point is these kind of projects can go insane really, really fast. Not only that, obviously there is some negative downplay on that too. If there are whales that are manipulating the markets on the future side, they can manipulate it very, very fast, and it does not require a lot of money to manipulate this. So those are some things that you need to keep in mind. But if you're in for the long haul, you guys know what to do. Have patience, guys. Have patience, and I think patience will totally reward you at the end of the day. I'm doing series on my channel where a lot of people, I get this comment on a daily basis: how many coins should I own? How many this should I own? Is this enough? I can't really tell you how much you should own, but I can say how much you would need in order to make a good gain. Again, it could be give or take 100 VChain to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. How much do you really need to make a good amount in this bull market potentially? Again, if you want that kind of video, it's more in depth, let me know down below in the comment section and I can work on that for you guys. And if you have not already subscribed, share this video, guys. Let's get this video to 100 likes. I need each and every one of you guys to come join the Crypto ZX army. And that is it for today's update. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. Each and every one of you guys mean the world to me. I love you all. And also come join my Patreon channel. If you're new to the space, guys, I strongly encourage you guys to do so. If you guys have any questions about crypto, how to stay away from scams, some hidden gems you guys want to discuss, special requests, all that good stuff, that is going to be found there. So thank you so much for all the support. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX and peace out.